Welcome back to AI Alert Room. I'm Victor Kane. Today we're talking about one of the most important developments in artificial intelligence, AI agents. You've probably heard the term before, but what exactly is an AI agent? And why are some experts saying AI agents could change business, work, and everyday life more than ChatGPT itself? Let's break it down. Most people think AI is something you talk to. You ask a question, it gives an answer. You ask another question, it gives another answer. That's how most people use ChatGPT today. But an AI agent is different. An AI agent doesn't just answer questions. An AI agent takes action. Think about the difference between an employee and a search engine. A search engine gives you information. An employee takes information and does something with it. That's essentially what an AI agent does. Instead of simply responding to prompts, it works toward a goal. For example, imagine you tell an AI agent, "Find me 50 local businesses that need health insurance quotes." A normal AI might explain how to find those businesses. An AI agent could potentially search online databases, collect company information, organize leads into a spreadsheet, rank them by quality, and generate outreach messages, all from a single instruction. That's a massive difference. The easiest way to understand AI agents is to think of them as digital workers. They don't sleep, they don't get tired, they don't take breaks, and they can often complete tasks much faster than humans. Now, here's where things become interesting. Most people think AI agents are futuristic technology, but they're already here. Companies around the world are using AI agents for customer service, research, scheduling, data analysis, marketing, and software development. Some businesses are even building entire workflows around teams of AI agents. Imagine a marketing company. One AI agent researches competitors, another writes content, another analyzes performance data, another responds to customer inquiries. Instead of one AI doing everything, multiple agents work together toward a larger objective. This concept is sometimes called an AI workforce, and many experts believe it represents the next major stage of artificial intelligence. But how do AI agents actually work? At a basic level, an AI agent follows a simple cycle: observe, think, act, then repeat. First, the agent gathers information. Second, it evaluates the situation. Third, it takes action. Then it checks the results and adjusts accordingly. This process allows agents to work toward goals without constant human supervision. It's similar to how humans solve problems. You observe what's happening, you make a decision, you take action. Then you evaluate the outcome. AI agents follow a digital version of that same process. Now, let's talk about why this matters. Historically, technology automated physical labor. Machines replaced many repetitive manufacturing tasks. Computers automated calculations. Software automated paperwork. AI agents may automate decision-making tasks, tasks that once required human judgment. Research, scheduling, analysis, organization, planning, communication. These are areas where AI agents are beginning to have a major impact. That doesn't necessarily mean humans become obsolete, but it does mean the nature of work could change significantly. The people who understand how to use AI agents may become dramatically more productive than those who don't. Imagine two business owners. One does everything manually. The other uses AI agents to handle research, lead generation, customer support, scheduling, reporting, and content creation. Which one can accomplish more in a single day? The answer is obvious. This is why many investors and technology leaders are paying close attention to AI agents. They see them as a force multiplier, a tool that allows one person to perform the work of many. Of course, AI agents are not perfect. They make mistakes, they can misunderstand instructions, they can produce incorrect information. Human oversight is still important. But every year, these systems become more capable, and that's what has many experts excited. The long-term vision isn't just having one AI assistant, it's having an entire team of digital workers available whenever you need them. Research assistants, marketing assistants, financial assistants, programming assistants, customer service assistants, all working simultaneously. The idea sounds futuristic, but it's already starting to happen. And that's why AI agents are one of the most important concepts in artificial intelligence today. They're not just answering questions, they're beginning to perform tasks. And that shift could fundamentally change how people work, build businesses, and solve problems in the years ahead. The next time you hear someone talk about AI agents, remember this simple definition. An AI agent is an artificial intelligence system designed to achieve goals by observing, reasoning, and taking action. In other words, it's not just software that talks, it's software that works. This is AI Alert Room. I'm Victor Kane. If you want deeper breakdowns on AI, technology, hidden systems, and the future shaping the world behind the scenes, subscribe for upcoming videos. And remember, the most powerful technologies usually look small right before they change everything. Thanks for watching.